Dear friends, in first chapter, exercise 1.38 question is, a cement company earns a profit of rupees 8 per bag of a white cement sold. So after selling one bag of white cement, company earns a profit of rupees 8 and a loss of rupees 5 per bag of grey cement sold. If company sells grey cement one bag per bag, it gets a loss of rupees 5. So we can say that company earns 8 rupees per bag of white cement and company earns loss of 5 rupees, means negative 5 rupees per bag of grey cement. Now see, so after selling, question is, a company sells 3000 bags of white cement. So company will earn 8 into, company had sold 3000 bags, so 3000 bags, company will earn 8 into 3000 rupees on selling white cement. So company sells 3000 bags of white cement, means company will earn 8 into 3000 rupees after selling white cement or for selling white cement. Then company will earn, or money earned by company, money earned on selling grey cement, is equal to, we are solving a part of the question. Money earned on selling grey cement, 5000 bags of grey cement are sold and company has earned negative 5 rupees, negative 5 into 5000. So this is equal to 5 5s are 25, negative 25,000, and this is 8 into 3, 8 3s are 24,000. So this is equal to 24,000 rupees. So total will be, we are asked the question, a company sells 3000 bags of white cement and 5000 bags of grey cement in a month. What is its profit or loss? Now, so total company will earn total money earned by company. Total money earned by company will be, earned by company is equal to 24,000 minus plus negative 25,000. So this is equal to, please understand, plus into minus is minus, so you will get negative 1000 rupees. It means company got loss. So company, it is the loss of company. Thus company made a loss. Thus company made loss of 1000 rupees. Second question is, what is the number of white cement bags? So let the number of white cement bags be x. Let the number of white cement bags be x. See, what is the number of white cement bags it must sell to have neither profit nor loss? Neither profit nor loss means company must make equal profit and equal loss. Then the company will get neither profit nor loss. So profit of the company must be equal to loss of the company. Now here you can understand, after selling white cement company gets a profit and after selling grey cement company gets a loss. So after selling white cement, whatever profit company gets must be equal to whatever loss company gets by selling the grey cement. Now we are given the number of grey cement bags are 6,000, 400. So loss incurred by company is, loss incurred by company or profit earned, we will write profit first. Profit earned by company will be, earned by company is equal to 8 per bag and number of bags are x. So it will be 8 multiplied by x, that is equal to 8x. Now loss is equal to, loss, number of bags sold are 6,400. So loss earned by, loss got, loss of the company is, loss of the company is equal to -5 multiplied by 6,400. So this is equal to 5 zeros are 0, 5 zeros are 0, 5 fours are 20, 2 carries, 5 6 are 30, 30 plus 2 is 32, and this is equal to minus. Now please try to understand, this is the total profit earned by company and this is the total loss that company got. Now this profit must be equal to loss, then and then only company will have neither profit nor loss. It means to have neither profit, so to have neither profit nor loss, neither profit nor loss, profit must be equal to loss, that is 8x must be equal to -32000. So it must be equal to, 8x is equal to 32,000 and we have to equate the sign, so you will get 32,000, or you can say 8x minus 3200 must be equal to 0. So this, after transposing 32,000 to the right side, it negative will become positive, therefore we will get 8x is equal to 32,000. Now this 8 is multiplying this side, so if it is transposed to the other side it will divide, so this will be x is equal to 32,000 upon 8, that is equal to 4,000. It means company must sell 4,000 white bags to have neither profit nor loss. Therefore company must sell 4,000 white bags to have neither profit nor loss. Ninth and last question of the exercise 1.3 is, replace the blank with an integer to make it a truth statement. So we have to write some number in the fill in the blanks. Now -3 multiplied by something is equal to 27. We know that 3 9s are 27, so integer must be 9. But please try to understand, if you multiply by -3 to the 9, we will get negative into positive, it must be negative, but we are given positive integer, so this must be -9. Negative into negative is positive, so negative into negative is positive, and 3 9s are 27, so this must be -9. Now next is 5 7s are 35. 5 7s are 35, but we will get a positive 35. Here answer is -35. It means this integer must be negative. Positive into negative is negative, and 5 7s are 35. Next is, how many 8s are -56? So this is, we know that 7 8s are 56, and this must be positive. Positive into negative is negative, so this integer is positive. Next is -12 into something is equal to 132. We know that 11 into 12 is 132. 11 12s are 32, or if you don't know, you can calculate 132 divided by, if you transpose this, 12 is multiplying this side, if you transpose to the other side it will divide, and you will get 12 1s are 12, remainder is 1. We can take the next integer downside, next number downside, you will get again 12 1s are 12, remainder is 0. So we have got 12 into 11 is equal to 132, but we want positive 132, this is negative, so negative into negative is positive, so this number must be -11. -11 into -12 is positive 132.